As you can see right here on your screen, I have a payment of 20.29 euro received on the 29th of November, and I have another one here on the 13th of December, 20 euro 10. I don't know what it's called. So in this particular video today, I want to walk you through a process how you can make this kind of simple money for yourself in the online space without any stress. Wasting time, let's get on to today's video. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Black Ozula, and on this channel I teach everything basically around making money online. Anything I tried out that works about making money online, I come over right here on this channel to record the video and walk you through the process so you can make exact or more of what I got on the same space as well. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through this process where I've been able to earn over 40 euro, as you can see right here. So I'm going to reload this screen so you know this is not a payment screenshot. And as you can see right here, it said I should log into my account. So if I log in right here, you're going to see this is going to log me into the transaction again. As you can see right here, it said I should log in here as well. So if I refresh, it's going to log me in to the exact transaction again right here. So it's not something hard or something kind of hectic. As you can see right here, you see everything is still intact. So in today's video, let's just get down to this kind of money you can easily earn when you do survey online. So I'm going to show you the secret website, and I'm going to walk you through how you are going to get tons of surveys that's going to pay you much more money fast, and you can easily cash out everything you need to know about it. I'm going to walk you through all the process in today's video. The very first thing is for me to let you know what you will need to get this particular money to your bank account. The very first thing you need is you will need a PayPal account to receive your payments. A PayPal account. You will need a Quiet VPN like Windscribe. You can sign up for free. I'm going to walk you all the process. You will need a virtual Germany account. Address as well. So that's all you need, and I'm going to walk you through all the process where you need them right now in this video. So let's get down to today's video with the website you want to work on. The website is simply called MyEO. Yeah, MyEO. As you can see right here, you can see MyEO. Yeah. So if I copy this is the website we want to work on. But before that, let me close all this tab so we can get everything we want. The very first thing you need to do is to turn on your VPN. You can see if you are using Chrome or any other browser, just add Windscribe to your extension. As you can see right here, my Windscribe is connected to Frankfurt Castle, which is Germany, because I told you we are going to use Germany because why not? Germany has more tasks to complete than other country on this website, and that's what I've been using a long time ago. That's making me money steadily. So now, once you log into your Windscribe account, even if it's on your phone, you can just download the Windscribe, register an account, then you sign up and you connect your VPN to Frankfurt or Frankfurt Weston. So you just connect it with this one of the two, and once you load up, you can see it's saying on. As you can see, you are connected to Windscribe. So the very first thing you need to do right now is to come over here, you paste, you can see right here myeo.com. A direct link to this website where you can just register is in the description below. Just click on it and you will get directed to this website. But make sure you've turned on your VPN so you won't lose out your account by any means. It's just something simple and basic understanding. It's not something hard. Now, the very first thing you need to do at this junction now is to click on this sign up. As you can see, get a paid survey online. It says start now, but you are not going there. It said this way you are going to points, and your paid survey are turned into cash and sent to your PayPal. You can see the country available. You can see Germany is one of the first, and that's why we want to make money with that Germany. So you come right here, you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you input your name. So I'm going to use my name right here, your gender, male. So okay, let me use my business name right here. Let me use Black Ozula. Then your email address, make sure you put something real quick. So let me get an email address right here that I can use for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, here's an email address. So I'm going to copy this right here. Then you paste, then you generate, you input your password right here. You input your password. So let me just fix something in right here. So I have my password, then I continue, and I'm going to save this. Though now they will ask me a series of questions, and I'm going to tell you the best thing to choose. You get the best thing to choose, and so you can get more jobs. The very first thing is to click self-employed right here. Then you select your birth month. Then you select. I'm just going to pick something random, and I'm going to pick something like around here. Then you choose your professional. Then you mean like you have decision, or you really have, so something like that. You just continue. If you like, you can upload your picture, and you can see they said they send you an email. Then if I continue right here, it said this is a profile questionnaire, but I'm not going there at the moment. If I come over to surveys right here, you can see a lot of surveys. I'm going to teach you how these surveys works and how you are going to get your money with it. So you can see they said I should confirm my email account, but before that, let's see what is tied to that. So they said if I click on details right here, you can see I have 0 points. I have 0 points. The minimum withdrawal is like you need 20,000 points to request a payout. So if I come over right here and I confirm my email address, let's see, then I continue. You can see I have 100 points already, which is 10. I don't know what euro use, maybe cents or penny, something like that. You can see it's right here. So I have 0.10 euro, and I need. So if I click on payouts right here, it's going to say I still need some money to earn. So how do you earn now? If you come over right here real quick to your account, you come over to survey. So you can start any of this survey, but before that, you can see if you fill out your profile, you earn 500 points, which is 0.50 cents, or maybe just permits me to use cents so you can understand what I'm talking about. So if I click on profile questionnaire and I want to fill out this, at the end of this, we are going to get 50 points as well. So let me fill this out, and we see how much we'll be able to accumulate by the end of this account creation. This is where I said you will need a German account address. You will need a German address, and this is how you get one. You come over to your Google Chrome and you search fake name generator. Then you come over right here. Once you come over to fake name generator, then right here you see the country, so you find Germany. Then you switch Germany, then you choose anyone you like. Maybe you are a male or female, something like that. Then the age preference, let's use 35. Then you click on generate. So this is a Germany account address. So I'm going to come over right here and I copy it. I come over to region. So if you can't find the region given right here, you can see, let's see if we can get Christian or what's it called. Let's see. Okay, nothing like that. So I'm going to copy this and search, so I will get to know where is it. It said Baden. Yeah, let's see if Baden is there. Okay, here we go. Then we copy this. Once we copy this, you copy right here, then you paste. Then the other address, which is this, you paste it right here. Then the postcode, this is the postcode right here. So you copy that, you come over right here, then you paste, then you continue. That means you are done. Okay, it said, are you registered as a student? No, you know you are not in Germany. So yeah, you can just order school certificates. You can choose bachelor, something like that, or something of your choice. Just continue. Then you said, what will what would best describe the nature of your work. So I'm going to choose information and data. That's what I do. So choose what work best for you. So I'm going to continue right here, and I'm going to choose IT and information section, and I'm going to choose less than 10 because I own my business, and that's what I'm going to choose. And I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to continue. Then I'm going to choose professional service and consultation right here, consulting, right? So I'm going to continue, and here I'm still going to choose your sector operates. So I'm going to choose IT and outsourcing service. So I'm going to continue that way. You can see I'm getting notification of surveys already, and we've not started. You can see this notification of surveys that's going to pay us 250 points. So let's complete our accounts first. So he said, so I'm going to put this right here and continue. He said, do you own a company? I said yes, I own a company because I do. And I'm going to put professional service right here. Continue. So where is your company based? At home? Do you run full time? Then less than, and I continue. Yeah, you choose your household. I'm going to choose that. Then I'm single and it's only one person, only me. Then I'm going to choose none right here because I don't have any kid. And what type of residence? I'm going to choose let's say apartment, and is rented. So I'm going to continue. So do you have pets? None, I don't. And how often do you travel? I travel up to I've traveled over 11 trips in the last 12 months. So economy, I fly economy, and I'm going to choose all I do. It said, what activities do you perform on the internet? I chat, audio and streaming, and something like that. Search for information, I continue. So what type of product do you own? I own a laptop, I own a mobile phone, I own a game console, I own a digital TV receiver MP3, I own TV set, air conditioner is involved, refrigerator, and okay, I think that's all I own for now. So I'm going to click on continue. And it said, which of the cards? You choose none of these. And he said, do you have any of the following type of insurance? You said no, none of these. Then you continue. Okay, he said, are you engaged in any of these activities of area? But for me, I will say online multiplayer game, and I will say, let me choose that and continue. So he said, which of the following websites are you member? I'm on here, and I think that's all. So I'm going to click. Which of the following statements applies to you? Said, I use online banking. Yeah. I have a paid TV subscription. Yeah. Then you just choose something like applicable to you. So I'm going to continue. I have 2 computers. Yeah. And I use Mozilla Chrome, Opera. I use I think that's all I use. I don't use Photoshop. I use Microsoft Office. Yeah, that's all I use. I click on continue. My system is Microsoft Windows. I'm going to use that. I have 2 smartphones. So, and everything is Google Android. So I'm going to continue. I'm using Samsung. Yeah, Samsung all the way. And yeah, you choose prepaid. Then you choose which of your network provider. Then you come over right here, others. Then I don't own a car yet. Yes, of course I do intend to acquire a car. I say 1 or 2. Then I'm going to spend 10 to 20 euro on that. So I don't, none. And once I'm done, I click on points right here. As you can see, I have 600 points already, which means I'm good to go. So if I come over to my mail right here and I click on start survey, I'm going to earn another 250 points. So that's how you earn on this particular website. So you can see now you have like 250, 400, 500, 400, 400, 400, 250 points to work on. And once you work on every of these, you are going to earn some points for yourself. But there's a thing you can do which I would like to teach you that's going to make you more money, is to invite your friend. If you click on invite friend right here, you will see the terms of service, like earn 500 points for every new and active user you refer to us. Your friends have to use your personal link in order to sign up with Mayo, and you will receive points once they complete their first survey. Something simple. So all you need to do is to copy your link, then you go over to your Twitter account, you tweet this link. Now you copy your tweet link rather, then you come over to add me fast. You come over to add me fast right here, then you sign up. I don't want to sign up because I don't want this video to get long, you understand? So I'm just going to explain every of these to you so you can get to use it on your own. The very first thing about this is to tweet your referral link on Twitter. So once you tweet it on Twitter, you come over to, you copy your Twitter link. Maybe you want to share something like that. You copy the tweet link, then you register on this website. Once you register an account, you will see a place where you can perform tasks, and you will see a place where you can perform tasks by viewing other people's tweets, something like that. Then you accumulate some tasks for yourself, some points for yourself. Then you will now use the points to hire people to share your own tweet link as well. It's just something simple as that. So if you get best value from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates about making money in the nearest future. And I'm going to be dropping a video every other day from now, so you don't want to miss that. We are going to another year, so I will advise you to stick to this channel so you can make some money for yourself in the online space with ease, without stress. So just subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and I will see you in other video.